Welcome to the Recruitment module. This is where you will be managing the entire hiring workflow from collecting candidate leads to tracking applicants through the recruitment pipeline. Here, recruiters can access the three sub-modules: Talent Pool, Manpower Requests, and Applicant Management, allowing recruiters to organize candidate information. We'll begin with the first sub-module called the Talent Pool. The Talent Pool acts as the leads database, where all candidate contacts are stored before they officially enter the recruitment pipeline. This allows recruiters to capture and manage leads from multiple sources such as your jobs website, Facebook leads, referrals, or walk-in applicants. On the top right, there are two primary actions. The first one being import, allowing recruiters to bulk upload contacts using an Excel or CSV file. And second being add contact, where recruiters can manually create a new candidate profile one by one. Below that is the search bar. This allows recruiters to quickly find candidates by name, email, phone number, or contact ID. To the right of the search bar is the More Filters option, which helps recruiters refine results further using additional parameters such as source, position, status, or date created. Once satisfied with the filters, we can now go over the main section of this page, the contact table. This displays all candidate leads stored in your database. Each row represents a candidate contact and includes key informations like contact source, positions, status, and more. Clicking on an individual contact will expand and display additional information about the lead. Inside the profile, recruiters can review and edit personal information, uploaded resume or CV, career preferences and skills, education history, work experience, and trainings. Recruiters can also tag candidates to specific Manpower requests, allowing them to align applicants with the right job opportunities. This makes it so that each candidate are properly tracked within the recruitment pipeline and have a clear roadmap for the document's requirements. Next, we move to the second submodule under recruitment, the Manpower Request Management. This section is where recruitment teams manage manpower requests coming from principals or employers. On the top right, you will see two familiar actions. The first is import, which allows administrators to bulk upload manpower requests through Excel or CSV files. The second is new Manpower Request, which enables administrators to manually input manpower requests one by one, guiding users through a structured process to create a new job order. Below the header, users can view and manage saved drafts, where unfinished manpower requests are stored. This allows administrators to easily delete, review, and continue editing draft MRS without losing progress. Under that is the Filters section, which allows administrators to quickly locate manpower requests by MR number, project name, principal, or relevant keywords. Additional filtering options for principal name, project name, and status are also available. Heading towards the main section of this page is the Manpower Request Records table, where all MRS in the database are listed. Each row represents a single manpower request and includes a preview of the basic information such as MR number, project, principal positions, target days, status, and start date. Selecting a manpower request expands the view to present all relevant information about the MR in a consolidated layout. Administrators can view and edit principal and project information, requested configuration, employment terms, position requirements, and additional details. Once completed and finalized, administrators can save and print the manpower request in a predetermined format. Finally, we move to the Applicant Management submodule. This section functions as the applicant tracking system, used by the recruiters to manage and track applicants throughout the recruitment pipeline. At the top right of the page, you'll find three key actions designed to help recruiters manage applicants efficiently. Import Applicants allows users to upload multiple applicant information in bulk using a templated Excel or CSV file. Once uploaded, applicant data will automatically sync with the system accurately for consistency. Add Applicant enables users to manually input a single applicant's information. Recruiters add all the details of the applicant available at that moment. And the Customize Recruitment Stages feature allows administrators to fully tailor the recruitment pipeline based on their agency's workflow. By default, users are provided with a preset set of stages that reflect a standard recruitment process. However, these stages are not fixed. Administrators have full control to modify, rearrange, or expand them to match how their operations actually run. New stages can also be added, allowing teams to introduce custom steps unique to their process. Clicking the pencil icon, each stage can be configured. Here, in the Properties panel, administrators can define a stage name, add a description, and assign a color theme for easy visual identification. The Preview section updates in real time. Through the form fields, administrators can define exactly what information needs to be collected at each stage. Administrators are provided with a set of field options that can be easily dragged and dropped into the form builder, allowing administrators to create fully customized stage cards. By selecting and organizing these fields, teams can ensure that every stage captures the required data, whether it is initial applicant details, interview results, or compliance requirements. Below the header, the search and filtering tools allow recruiters to quickly locate applicants based on the specific fields needed at that time. Before any applicants are displayed, make sure to select a Manpower Request, as this ensures that only applicants associated with that specific request are shown and managed. The main interface is displayed as a Kanban-style recruitment pipeline, where each column represents a stage of the recruitment process. By default, the recruitment stages include screening, lineup, interview, selection, offer letter, closing, and endorsement. Applicants appear as cards within each stage, showing a preview of important details. Recruiters can simply drag and drop applicant cards between stages to update their recruitment progress. When moving an applicant through the recruitment pipeline, the system ensures that all required steps are completed before progressing to the next stage. For example, when I move an applicant from screening to lineup, the system will prompt me to complete the required information for that stage, such as assigning the applicant to a Manpower request, specifying the source, recruiter, position, principal, and project, and adding any relevant remarks. Once the required details are filled out, I can simply click Save and Move, and the applicant will be transferred to the next stage. Additionally, if I try to skip multiple stages at once, the system will still require me to complete all the missing forms from the previous stages before the transition can proceed. This guarantees that every step in the recruitment workflow is properly recorded and that no critical information is missed. Recruiters can also enable bulk selection mode to move multiple applicants at once, making it easier to manage high-volume recruitment operations. Clicking on an applicant card opens the applicant detail view, where recruiters can access the full candidate profile. Inside this view, recruiters can manage the applicant's personal information, uploaded documents, medical records, remarks, and stage-specific compliance details. Together, these three components, talent pool, Manpower Requests, and applicant management, create a structured recruitment system that allows agencies to capture leads, manage job orders, and track applicants efficiently from initial contact all the way to final endorsement. This completes the walkthrough of the recruitment module in CRIS.